Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you Winter Night Glow Serum to fight skin dryness, roughness, to repair your damaged skin, to make your skin glow, to reform skin elasticity, to resurface skin texture, and to moisturize and hydrate your skin, and also to help even skin tone and lighten spots. So let's find out how we can prepare Winter Night Glow Serum. The first most important ingredient that you need is rose water. So you need around 2 tablespoons of rose water. Rose water helps maintain the skin's pH balance and also control excess oil. It gives healthy glow to the skin and it's good for boosting hydration. The next ingredient that you need is castor oil. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Castor oil is a wonderful moisturizer. It helps remove dry patches and restores hydration of the skin. The next ingredient that you need is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Packed with antioxidants, vitamin A, E and fatty acids, fight free radical damage, helps you get rid of dry skin, lighten dark spots and reduce wrinkles. The next ingredient that I'm going to add is vitamin E oil. Now in case if you don't have vitamin E oil, you can also add the content of vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E oil is a very powerful antioxidant. It helps nourish and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. The final ingredient that you need is glycerin. So I'm going to add half tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin is helpful in the treatment of many oily skin conditions like acne, skin infections, wrinkles and fine lines. Combine well. But as you know that oil and water doesn't mix together well, so what you can do is you can add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel or you can add 1 teaspoon of shea butter. But right now I'm not using any of these ingredients, aloe vera gel or shea butter. But if you want, you can use it to get a serum like consistency. So I'll show you how I use this lotion. What I do is just before applying this lotion, I shake it really well. And then I apply it onto my clean face. A little of the serum goes a long way. And then gently massage for a minute in a circular motion. Leave it overnight. Follow this before bedtime. And wake up in the morning like a young princess. And you will notice a beautiful shine and glow on your face. Your skin will feel softer, smoother and more supple and lighter. You can use the serum twice daily if you have dry, sensitive, combination or normal skin type. If you have oily skin, then use the serum once in a day and before bedtime. So use the serum to improve the overall texture and appearance of the skin and to look beautiful every day. So do try this and share your results with me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And you can also follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing beauty tips and updates. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye-bye.